Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix MacBook trackpad not working. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. The first and most important step that you can go ahead and try is by simply going ahead and shutting down your computer. Shut it down for at least like 5 minutes and then simply go ahead and turn it back on and it should be working. If it's not, simply go ahead and check for trackpad settings right over here. Let me just go ahead into my settings first. So system settings, and then you can simply go ahead and go to your trackpad settings. Do this with a mouse by just connecting an external mouse and then simply go ahead and check if your trackpad is on or not. If it is not, then you can simply go ahead and turn on by tap to click and stuff like that. You can also go ahead and play around with these, right? And once you're over that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and reset your PC. So simply go into your system settings and then go all the way down to transfer reset on general, and then simply go ahead and erase all content and settings, and it should be working. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.